So it was an interesting wake up this morning. I heard it tapping early, roughly about 6 o'clock, and then went outside to check. So we googled what it was. So I saw a woodpecker. And then I googled it on the Swedish site. It said that it's endangered.
Critically endangered. Apparently there's only 20 left in the wild. So cool.
Yeah, so pretty good way to start the day. Yeah, good little incidental hearing. So we just got into Mora. We're just going to look around. We're right next to Lake Silja, is it?
Yeah.
So yeah, let the tourist stuff begin.
So this is a giant version of these wooden horses we've come here to see.
Apparently they're Swedish. Sample some Swedish bakery delight. So we finally found a Lidl here in Sweden. I think it's a Swedish brand.
Gonna get some cheap food, hopefully.
Honey, check out my sausage. Carly, what do you think of my sausage? Sausage life.
We're just pulling up at this town called NOR-SWE, something like that. Anyway, we've just discovered that this little Swedish horse is a thing called a Dala horse. So hopefully we're gonna see some get made here and then purchase us one of these bad boys. So we get to see these horses being made.
This is the progression of the horses.
So they have so many shots here that are just like full of knives. What's the knife version of pyro? I've got one of those on my hands.
So it looks like the first craftsman cuts them into shape, and then this craftsman polishes them. This appears to be where they all get painted. So obviously this is where they get dipped in paint.
Yes. Knock.
Who's there?
Bear.
Bear who?
Bear pump.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, it's actually a very cute little town with authentic, genuine Swedish Dala horses. But yeah, I highly recommend this place. Learning Planet, you came through with the goods.
And that's a wrap.